In this video, I will show you how to use Instagram on your laptop or computer. First, open your preferred web browser, go to instagram.com and sign in to your Instagram account. Once you're signed in, you'll see the navigation menu on the left-hand side. From here, you can browse your home feed, watch Reels, view and send messages, explore new content, and access all of your Instagram features. If you want to upload a new post, simply click Create from the left-hand menu. You can then select your photo or video, add a caption, and publish it directly from your computer. You can also install Instagram as a standalone desktop app. Click the Install icon in the top right corner of your browser, then click Install. After the installation is complete, Instagram will open as its own application. You can launch it anytime from your computer and use it just like you would on your phone, including browsing your feed, sending messages, watching Reels, and creating new posts. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.